In this module, I'm going to walk you through inserting slides from various sources. I'll walk you through inserting blank slides, slides from another presentation, and also from your Word outline. You'll notice I've already set up the title slide, and it's picked up our theme because I used the template we created from our Slide Master. The first thing I want to do is show you how to insert blank slides. To insert a blank slide, we want to make sure we're on the Home tab, Slides group, and then we're going to click on the down arrow next to New Slide. These are the various types of blank slides that we can add to our presentation. What you are going to insert onto your slide plays a key role in choosing which blank slide to use. So for instance, if we were going to insert a picture with a caption, we would choose Picture with Caption. We would then come over, insert our picture, and add our caption. Let's go back up to the Slides group and let's insert another blank slide. This time we'll do a comparison. We would then come over and add our title and our information into our areas. In addition to inserting blank slides, you can also duplicate a slide. So let's make sure we have slide 3 selected. Let's go back to the Slides group, click New Slide, and choose Duplicate Selected Slide. Once we do that, it's going to duplicate slide 3 and insert it as slide 4. This is great if you've got similar information on a slide that you need to add to another slide. Instead of retyping or copying and pasting it, you can go ahead and duplicate the slide, then come in and make whatever necessary changes you need to do. Another option available to you when creating slides is to insert slides from another presentation. There may be times when you've given a presentation that has a couple slides that you need to insert into another presentation, and instead of having to retype that information or copy and paste it, you can go ahead and insert that slide into your current presentation. We're going to insert a slide at the end of this presentation, so let's go ahead and make sure that slide 4 is highlighted. We're going to come back up to the Slides group and click on the down arrow for New Slide. We're going to come to the very bottom and click Reuse Slides. Once you do that, it's going to open up the Reuse Slides dialog box. From here, we're going to browse out and choose the presentation that has our slides. So we're going to click on the down arrow next to Browse and choose Browse File. Once you have your file, double-click on it, and it's going to insert it into the sidebar. From here, we go ahead and choose which slide or slides we want to add to our presentation. We're going to go ahead and click on the third slide. Once we click on the slide, it's going to go ahead and add it to our presentation, and since we had slide 4 highlighted, it adds it after slide 4. You'll notice that during the process of adding the slide to our presentation, it incorporated our settings from our Slide Master. If we wanted to keep the original formatting, we would come down to the bottom of the sidebar and check Keep Source Formatting. But since we don't, we're not going to check that box. Now we're just going to come over here and shrink this up a little bit so it fits on our screen. Excellent. And that's how you insert slides from another presentation. The last option I want to go over with you is importing slides from an outline. If you have a speech outline that you're going to set up a presentation from, or if you like to outline your presentations before you create them, you can go ahead and use that outline and pull it into your presentation. In order to do that, we're going to go back to the Slides group, click on New Slide, and we're going to come down and click Slides from Outline. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and browse out to find our outline, and once we have it, double-click on it, and it's going to import it into our presentation. I'm going to go ahead and open up the outline in Word so you can see how it looked before it imported it. So let's go to Word. I'm going to browse out to the file. We'll go ahead and open up our Style sidebar so that you can see that it does use the heading styles. In order to import the outline, you must use the heading styles, and that's where it pulls the information. So if you want to use this option to create your presentation, make sure you are using the heading styles. Those are the various ways that you can insert slides into your presentation. Remember, you need to be on the Home tab, the Slides group, and then click on the down arrow next to New Slide. From here, you have your various layouts available to you. You can duplicate selected slides, insert slides from an outline, and also reuse slides from other presentations.